Hello and welcome back to Trends, the hottest and trendiest channel on YouTube. Did you know that cinnamon is one of the oldest spices ever? Its popularity dates back to ancient Egypt, where it was even considered a gift fit for pharaohs. That's because it used to be very rare and valuable. And not just that, there are many health-benefiting properties in cinnamon, keeping not just pharaohs alive but can also help you stay healthy. That's what we're going to take a look at today. Let's get started. Number 1, Antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals in your system. So it's important to keep your antioxidant levels high and strong. In a study that compared the antioxidant activity of 26 spices, cinnamon wound up as the clear winner, even outranking superfoods like garlic and oregano. Number 2, Anti-inflammatory. Against common belief, inflammation is incredibly important. It helps your body fight infections and repair tissue damage. However, inflammation can become a problem when it's chronic and directed against your body's own tissues. Cinnamon is known to have strong anti-inflammatory properties and can be used to fight inflammations. Keep that in mind. Number 3, Anti-diabetic. Cinnamon is well known for its blood sugar lowering properties. First, cinnamon has been shown to decrease the amount of glucose that enters your bloodstream after a meal. Second, a compound in cinnamon can act on cells by mimicking insulin. This greatly improves glucose uptake by your cells, though it acts much slower than insulin itself. Numerous studies have confirmed the anti-diabetic effects of cinnamon, showing that it can lower fasting blood sugar levels by almost 30%. The effective dose is typically 1 to 6 grams or around 0.5 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon per day. Number 4, Brain diseases. Neurodegenerative diseases are characterized by progressive loss of the structure or function of brain cells. The most well-known diseases being Alzheimer's and Parkinson. 2 compounds found in cinnamon appear to inhibit the buildup of a protein called tau in the brain, which is one of the causes of Alzheimer's disease. There aren't many studies on this topic yet, but it seems that cinnamon can help protect you from some of these diseases, as researchers are working on this right now. And that's it for today's video. We hope you gained some insight on cinnamon and why even pharaohs took a liking to it. Outside from it being a fantastic exotic spice that can be used for many great dishes. See you next time.